Hello, in this video I will check if VIVO Y36 does have a screen recorder option. So usually screen recorder option is available from the quick access menu, so you have to swipe down on your main screen and do this motion again, and now swipe right on your quick access menu, and as you can see here there is a record screen button, so you can click on that. And now click on check this check mark and click agree, and now you are in screen recorder menu, and you can click this button to start recording your screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.